Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Hey Fred, what are you doing in the backyard of my shop?
Just looking around.
But this ain't your car, dude. What is this thing, man? Go ahead and tell everybody what we're looking at.
Looks like a Chevelle SS, 70 Chevelle SS.
Yeah? What do you think? You like that thing, dude?
Yeah, I do.
This lady pays me a monthly storage on this car, dude. Says she's going to restore it one day.
Hope you don't mind if I pop the hood then.
Go ahead, pop that hood open, bro. Check it out. See what we got. See what kind of engine we got in there. Should be there somewhere. There you go. Pop it open.
I'm working on it.
Easy, easy. Put it up. Look at that son of a bitch.
That's a big block.
That's a big block 454, big block badass son of a bitch right there. Huh? What do you think of that? What would you do with this, Flintstone?
Oh, this would be a car to restore.
You think you would restore this baby?
I would.
Look, it's got a brand new Holly 4 barrel on it.
I do know a good body, man. I mean, I do know a good body.
We're out in Ohio.
Oh, no.
Who?
Well, I'm kind of talking to him there as soon as he pokes his hand out in front of the camera like he always does.
Hey, easy, easy, bro. Take it easy, bud.
Hey.
So we got a big block 454 SS. What do you think of that car, dude? Now let me tell you something about this car. This girl that owns the car, her dad bought this car and restored the car so she can have it in high school. She drove it all the way through high school. And then I guess her dad passed away or something. And then some other guy got a hold of this car and almost owned the car.
Almost owned it?
Almost owned it. He brought it over and said, this girl owes me money and I'm going to store this car here.
Oh.
And then she called me up and I said, okay, whoever has the fucking title is the owner as far as I'm concerned. So she shows me the title and says, look, I'm not messing around. It is my car. So she showed me the title. Now let's go over the car here, dude. So we got the big block 454. Shut her down. Shut her down, lock and latch. We got the cowl induction hood, but look at this, dude. Look how thick the bodywork in Bondo is on this. I mean, it's, you know, okay, that's spray-on Bondo. Can you see that?
What that crap is?
Yeah, look how thick it is.
Hold on, let me get
okay, so this whole hood, all right, you can see that the whole hood is covered with this. That's what spray-on Bondo is, dude. Look how thick it is.
God.
And this is what happens to the spray-on Bondo custom auto body is that it just starts cracking and peeling. Well, hell no. That's what I try to tell people, though. Look at the Bondo peeling up.
God.
Watch, I'm going to take a key to it.
No, don't do that.
Well, it needs restored. There's water under it, and it's rusting.
Oh, that would happen.
So it'd be better to take it up. Well, it ain't going to... Okay, here it comes right here. But you can see, this is what happens with spray-on Bondo, dude. Watch.
That's a crying shame.
Look at there. See that right there? See how it's getting surface rust? So if she doesn't do something with this car within the next year, this hood, you might as well throw it away because it's going to be rotted and rusted.
Oh, in Ohio, that'd already be rusted.
Yeah, but the thing is, look, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Look at the moisture that gets under this. Okay, once moisture gets under that spray-on Bondo, it's pretty much over, dude.
Right here.
Look what we got here, guy. Now the paint's peeling off, but I want everybody to look at this. This is spray-on Bondo. Listen to it. You can hear how hollow it is under there. There's moisture and water that gets under there. And what's going on is it's lifting that spray-on Bondo off the car. Look right here, dude. Look at this. Come on, this whole car's that way. Look.
Oh man.
Look at the whole car. The only way, look at this one here, watch. Let me show you. Well, I'm trying to get this bubble to pop here. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. You can see the Bondo. Look at when I do that with my key, watch.
It's not even going to bare minimum.
Look. Well, look at it. There's moisture underneath the stuff, dude. Can you feel it?
I can hear it.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Now, right here, it doesn't look like it has it here.
Oh, it's there, buddy. You just can't see it.
Rusted.
Okay, it's there. What they did is they probably block sanded all that down to where it didn't need any there.
Real shy paint job.
All right, look at here. Here's your spray-on Bondo. Look at that. Look at it. See there? Look at it coming off. Look at it. All right, that's what I'm trying to tell you, dude. And I'm trying to tell everybody out there, this spray-on Bondo shit It's for cars that you're going to keep in the garage and never drive,
Right.
dude. That's it. But once you bring them outside, look at the bubbles right here.
Right here.
Okay, exactly. Everywhere, dude. And what happens, it just ruins them. Open that seat up, bud. Let's see what we got. So this is like a 71 Chevelle SS model, and it's basically a 2-owner car. But the problem you have with this car is it would cost a lot of money to restore it back to original, bud.
And I see it's only got 68,000 original miles, if that's right.
Well, I don't know if that's right or not, but the real deal is, Flintstone, is this would be an awesome car to restore, even though it still has the spray on Bondo. That would even give the guy that wants to restore it more of a challenge to get in there and get his hands dirty and do it right. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I'm no body man, that's for sure.
Yeah. Let me ask you a question. What about our boat here, bud? Did I tell you the story about this guy?
Bust out another 1,000? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, B-O-A-T.
cabin.
Bust out another 1,000. But let me tell you what he got this boat for.
Cabin cruiser?
I don't know what it is, but you know what this guy's dream is? To take this boat, buy some property out in West Texas somewhere out in the middle of nowhere and bury it and make it into his house. So the only thing you'd see is the top of it.
Okay.
All right? Now hold on a minute. This guy has owned this boat for 30 years. And he said, before I die, I'm going to bury my boat in the dirt. How long do you think it's been parked right there? He pays me $50 a month rent. How long do you think it's been there?
10 years.
12 years, dude.
Well,
This is a man in his dream. But this is a man in his dream. Now, hold on. Let me tell you the rest of the story about this guy. He's like 65 years old. He's had 2 heart attacks. He's going to the doctor now. He's got a pacemaker and all this other shit. Do you think his dream's going to come true? Or do you think his boat's going to disappear and fade and be sold somewhere?
I think that's what's going to happen.
Exactly. And that's the situation you got on this. This girl wants to completely restore the car, but she doesn't understand. The longer it sits out here, the more money it's going to cost to restore, because the more work you got to do to it, Flintstone. Do you understand now? Would you restore this car, Fred? Flintstone guy from Ohio.
Yeah, I would.
Huh? How much do you think you'd put in this car to really make it a nice restoration job?
Original?
To make it a restoration job that's worthy.
You'd have 30 grand that easy.
$30,000 car. There's your 30,000 restoration right there to make that car. See, this is what you call a 10-foot show car. 10 feet away, it looks awesome. All it needs is, but when you walk up to it, look at all the shit that's going on with it.
I was wanting to see in the trunk, but the keys aren't here, so.
Yeah, we don't want to look at the trunk.
I do.
It might be full of rats.
Probably.
Okay? Let's not look in the trunk, dude. Anyway, shake your hand, make a Fred. Fred.
Yep.
Okay, all the way from Ohio. Thank you very much. You went out to Moab, Utah with me. We had a great time. We'll be watching those videos. And when are we going to see you again, Fred?
Lord knows.
Yeah. You said you might buy a house in Moab.
Oh, I was
So
considering.
now we're not.
Well, the way the prices are, whew.
We're not buying one now. Okay. All right, but Timken Steel Factory. He's a crane driver. Give him a big hand. Right, you're in a union. American made.
Yep.
Okay, bud. See you later. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, buddy.
See you fucking later, Flintstone. So this is a situation you have when you get these cars like this. I mean, it looks beautiful. It's an awesome car, clean car. But now that you look at it up close, I mean, now you're getting the story of what's going on here. Look at this. Okay? Spray on Bondo. Right there. Yeah. Something I want to fucking deal with, my friend Pete. Because it's paint ready.
Oh, God.
It's paint ready. It's paint ready. It's paint ready. We gotta go. The hand says thumbs up for you. And it's time to say fuck off. Get the high off my property. And we'll see you again, Fred. It's a cocksucker. It's a son of a bitch motherfucking cocksucker's what it is, because it's a son of a bitch. It's a fucking mess. Thanks for watching D.I.Y.
D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.